The past 7 days showed additive manufacturing flexing its muscles in aerospace, consumer health, and corporate infrastructure. From Stratasys' enormous new headquarters to tiny microvanes promising big fuel savings and vitamins printed by the 500,000, it's clear 3D printing isn't just for hobbyists anymore. Here's your quick hit of what mattered. The 60-second extrusion. Stratasys opens a 200,000 square foot America's HQ in Minnesota that consolidates R&D, engineering, customer collaboration, and Stratasys direct manufacturing. U.S. Air Force retrofits the entire C-17 fleet with 3D printed microvanes, cutting drag and saving $14 million annually. Remedy Health, nourished, raises 14 million pounds, already printing approximately 500,000 personalized gummy vitamins daily and planning global expansion. Legor and Tritone bring powder-free mold jet printing to gold and platinum jewelry, using pastes instead of loose powder. High 3Ds. Print by Parts auto-splits AI models and adds connectors, bridging generative design and real-world printing. Stratasys unveils a massive Minnesota HQ. What happened? Stratasys opened a 200,000 square foot America's headquarters in Minnetonka that co-locates R&D, engineering, customer collaboration, and Stratasys direct manufacturing. Why it matters. A consolidated facility signals confidence in the North American market and should accelerate product development. Who should care? Stratasys users, investors, and anyone watching the industrial AM landscape. Extruder Report verdict, 8 out of 10. A major investment in U.S. operations that underscores the company's ambition. Microvanes ready for takeoff. What happened? The U.S. Air Force will fit all 222 C-17 transport aircraft with 12 3D printed microvanes that reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency by about 1%. Why it matters. That tiny percentage translates to an estimated $14 million in annual savings and pays for itself within 7 months. It's a tangible, high-impact win for AM and aerospace. Who should care? Aerospace engineers, taxpayers, and anyone interested in sustainable aviation. Extruder Report verdict, 9 out of 10. Proof that small printed parts can yield big operational gains. Vitamins hit the print bed. What happened? REM 3D Health, maker of nourished vitamins, raised 14 million pounds to expand its personalized 3D printed gummy business, which already produces roughly 500,000 gummies a day. Why it matters. It's one of the first consumer applications of 3D printing to demonstrate both scale and profitability, signaling mainstream potential. Who should care? Health tech investors, consumer goods innovators, and print farm owners eyeing mass customization. Extruder Report verdict, 7 out of 10. A promising blend of biotech and AM, but scaling to new geographies remains to be proven. Trending models. Asterion BG3 Portrait. A 250mm display portrait of the Baldur's Gate 3 vampire. High detail for fans and painters. Juggernaut Statue. 18 inches of comic book muscle from Tanuki figures, perfect for showpiece prints. Wave Vase. A modern vase with rippling surfaces that prints in one piece without supports. T-Rex Skull, moving jaw. Resin-ready dinosaur skull with a hinged jaw for educational displays. Links to the files can be found in the description below. Deal Pulse. Bamboo Lab 4th Anniversary Sale. Starting June 15th, Bamboo's annual sale cuts prices on most printers and filament. Highlights. P2S combo drops to $699, was $799. P1S combo to $539. A1 Mini to $209. And filament as low as $9.89 per roll. Stock moves fast, so act quickly. Community Pulse. Debate of the week. Bamboo versus Creality. Buy now or wait? Creality's oversubscribed IPO sparked chatter about its platform-driven ecosystem, 5.7 million users and 2.7 million models, and whether its K-series printers can match Bamboo's speed. Many in R/3D printing are opting to wait for Bamboo's sale prices, while others argue that Creality's lower upfront cost and expanding model library make it a sleeper hit. Verdict? If you're after plug-and-play speed, Bamboo still leads. Tinkerers might find more value in Creality's ecosystem. Print Farm Note. Looking to cash in on your print farm? A January Print Pal guide notes that home organization products, personalized decor, and functional everyday items are the most profitable niches. Custom drawer organizers, planters, wall art, and phone stands all benefit from bespoke sizing and personalization, which help you escape commodity pricing. Pair these with AI-assisted design tools like Hi3D's part splitting, and you've got a workflow that scales. Final layer. Next week, we'll be watching the Bamboo sale kickoff and Legor's first experiments printing precious metal jewelry. With aerospace adoption soaring and consumer applications scaling, the divide between hobbyist and industrial use is shrinking fast. Stay tuned and keep your extruder hot.